come on, fly. Yeah.
This is my friend Jack. He may be a tiny little bird, but if you watch the way he acts, you might forget he is not human at all. Jack has a serious weakness for chocolate. Whenever I'm not around, he sneaks in and steals a bite like a professional thief. Lately, he has been practicing football too. Honestly, at this rate, I would not be surprised if he brings the 2026 World Cup straight into my room. Jokes aside, I truly love him.
Give me kisses.
My entire day seems to revolve around Jack. Watching him move, listening to his sounds, seeing the way he eats, all of it fills me with joy. I first met Jack several months ago when he was just a tiny baby. I found him lying on the ground in my vegetable garden. I searched everywhere for his mother, but she was nowhere to be found. So I brought him inside. I made a small nest for him using tissues and a basket. At first, I tried feeding him little by little. He could barely eat during the first few days, but soon enough he started opening his beak from below, asking for food. Whenever I brought my hand close to his face, he would chirp loudly and open his mouth wide. Slowly, I noticed feathers beginning to grow on his body. But even then, I was scared. I kept asking myself, can I really raise this baby bird without his mother's love? It was a huge responsibility. I had to feed him at least 7 or 8 times a day. I had to keep his place clean at all times. The moment Jack started chirping whenever he saw me, I fell in love with him. I began taking care of him like my own child. With love, care, and attention, he kept growing stronger every day. Now he has learned to stand on his own feet. A few days later, I saw him trying to eat by himself. That is when I started training him gently.
Come, Jack. Jack. Come.
After just a few days, something incredible happened. When I called his name, Jack came running straight to me.
Come, Jack.
I cannot even explain how happy that made me feel. He loves sleeping under my beard, right near the collar of my shirt. As he grows older, he seems to be getting even closer to me. I truly enjoy spending time with Jack. Playing with him has become my favorite part of the day.
Come on. Come on.
Honestly, I barely care about anything else right now. When it's feeding time, he jumps excitedly in front of his food bowl. Although he used to stay only inside my room, these days I often let him stay outside freely. At first, I was terrified. I thought he might fly away and never come back, but he did not. Even with freedom all around him, he stayed. I believe it is because he is deeply bonded by love. Still, I know he needs friends. No matter how close we are, he is still a bird. Maybe he wants companionship from his own kind. Thinking about this, I placed him in a cage outside my room for some time. Soon enough, 2 other sparrows came closer after seeing Jack. But from his behavior, it felt like he was not interested at all. He only feels comfortable playing with me. Just look at him now, playing right beside me. His mischievous and sweet love completely melts my heart. Day by day, I find myself loving him even more. And yes, this little prince demands warm water for his bath every single day. After bathing, he sits on my shoulder, drying himself comfortably.
He's an ugly girl.
It's not always me helping him. Sometimes he comes to help me too. Though most of the time, he ends up making my work harder, but that's okay. It's 6 p.m. now, and naughty Jack is already curled up inside my cap, fast asleep. So come on, let us disturb him just a little.
Hello? Why is everything of mine a nest for you? Huh? Oh, you had to sleep in my hat. Okay, good night.
My day begins with a kiss from Jack every morning.
Give me kisses.
It instantly lifts my mood and fills me with positive energy. For some reason, my whole day feels better because of it. Oh, and lately, Jack has been learning computer work too, trying to help me. What do you think? How much help will he actually be? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope Jack stays with me for as long as I live. I never want to lose him. I hope he loves me just as much as I love him. I hope he never breaks this bond and flies away. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and my beloved Jack. To stay updated, follow our social media links in the description box. And if you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to the channel. It would truly make us happy.